According to the National Electrical Code, churches are classified as assembly occupancies. Assembly occupancies are defined as buildings or portions of buildings used for gatherings of people for purposes such as worship, recreation, or amusement. The NEC does not explicitly prohibit the use of solid copper wire in commercial applications, including churches. However, it does state that stranded conductors are preferred in certain applications due to their flexibility and resistance to fatigue. There are several reasons for preferring stranded conductors. Firstly, stranded conductors are more flexible than solid conductors, making them easier to work with in tight spaces and around corners. Secondly, stranded conductors can withstand repeated bending and flexing without breaking, which is important in applications where vibration or movement is present. Thirdly, for conductors of the same size, stranded conductors generally have a higher current carrying capacity than solid conductors. The specific wiring requirements for a church will depend on the size, layout, and electrical load of the building. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the electrical system meets all applicable codes and standards. If there are concerns about the wire being used, it is recommended to address them with the electrician responsible for the work and request documentation to support their decisions.